Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Coming back with another video on Aunt Jackie's Seal It Up Hydrating Sealing Butter. This stuff is the truth. It's so thick but lightweight. It makes my hair so soft and juicy. It's enriched in flaxseed, shea butter, avocado, castor oil, and honey. It's amazing for hydrating your hair, and it can be used for protective styling and for dry and brittle hair. We all know how damaging the cold weather can be on our hair, and this sealing butter is the truth. I definitely recommend it if you're looking for a product that is thick and will give you that moisture you're looking for, but not heavy, where it weighs your hair down and gives you that thick, heavy feeling of your twist or coils. This stuff is amazing. So let's get into these twists. As you can see, my hair is growing out and I'm getting a little length. I start my hair off by coiling the sides of my hair. They're still in like the awkward grow out stage, so I just use a little bit of the sealing butter there and coil it up with my fingers. The twist, I go in with a dab of the sealing butter as well, just to give it some added moisture, and I do about 3 to 4 twists per row, not really caring about how neat they look, just as long as they stay raveled and they don't come out, because you don't want your hair to like end up unraveling, especially with short hair. They don't stay in all the way, but my hair is nice and soft and juicy and hydrated and amazing, and you will see the results of this product coming soon. Just keep watching. So here is all of the twists done on my whole head. Looks a little crazy, but that's okay. Now I will just air dry and blow dry my hair for about 2 hours on and off. After we get done, I unraveled the twist. I just wanted to show you guys the bomb definition I got from this sealing butter with this twist out. It can be used on any hair texture, no matter what length you are, no matter what style you're doing. It's amazing. I just go through, not really trying to be as neat, just going through and unraveling the chunks of it and making sure that I'm not doing too much damage to it to cause frizz, but keeping definition. And that's it for this twist out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The definition is bomb. Again, as I keep saying, make sure you guys go get you some. Thank you guys for watching and supporting me. See you next time.